Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh Jak Shimash, shalom and welcome, good day y'all. Got a bit of an unboxing for you today, and it is a childhood memory unboxing because I remember we having one of these in the 80s, and it lived in the kitchen on the wall next to the microwave, and we had it for many years. I don't know what happened to it in the end, but it obviously got thrown away. But yeah, so we're going to open up this old 1980s Black & Decker Dustbuster. Get you guys a bit closer and let's get unboxing. So like I said, we used to have one of these when I was a kid, and I thought we were the cat's whiskers when we had this. I saw this on eBay for a very good price, and I thought, oh, I'll get that, because it reminds me of using it. Oh gosh, it's in the original box as well. Wow. Now, I don't think we had this particular one. This might be a more modern version. Wow, the box is immaculate. Look at that. Incredible. Let's have a look. This is the Black & Decker Turbo Plus Dustbuster Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's the VP331 model. Turbo. Wow. Yeah, I think this is the more modern version that we had. This might be later. Okay, let's take it out. The box is immaculate. Wow. So it's got its original packaging that it came with. There's the cord underneath. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put it, well, I haven't tested it yet, but I think it works. Oh yeah, this is definitely the more modern one. Oh, there was a tiny bit of life in it. The one that we had, the button on it, if I'm not mistaken, you had to hold the button to make it work. But this is, it's been used, but gosh, it's in awesome condition. '97, 07, 97. So yeah, this is a much later one. But still, doesn't matter. Let's take the plug off. It's got its tools. Look at that, little dinky tools. I'm trying to remember what colour the tools were on ours, whether it was, I think they might have been grey. So, okay, let's have a look. We've got the instructions here. We've even got the screws that have never been taken out of the packet. So this is for the guarantee card. That's the instruction that tells you all about it. And here we have the instruction manual. Underneath it, Black & Decker VP331H3, 7.2 volts, made in England. Ah, and these are the batteries. Okay. There's a button there that you push up, and then the batteries come out, so you could replace the batteries. I doubt very much you can get these anymore. These are Black & Decker VersaPack batteries. Type 2, 3.6 volts, assembled in Mexico. Needs charging. That's really nice to have all the instructions with it, and like I said, the box is immaculate. Here we have the wall-mounted stand for it to charge it. The tools fit into here. Where does this go? Instructions. Oh, there we go. So the tools are fitted in there. Let's open up this. Needs a bit of a wipe over, but that's about it. There's a little bit of dust in there. Let's vacuum it off. Okay, that was nice and easy to clean out. Pop that in there. Clips underneath. Clips on. Wow. Right. Let's put it on its stand. And let's get the charger. So that is going to take a wee while for it to charge up. So I'm going to leave it and see how we get on. So I'll be back in a minute. Well, a couple of hours. The Black & Decker DustBuster Turbo Plus has been on charge now for 24 hours. So let's take it off. Let's see. That's not a bad suction, actually. That's a lot better than I remember our one being. That's very good. Right, let's give it a test. So first of all, we'll give it something easy. We will give it a little bit of Mad About Mess. Sprinkle that on. Let's see how it does. Let's try it with the little brush. So it did better with that because the little bits of sawdust, they can be quite difficult. They get stuck in the pile quite easy, so that's done a good, okay job. Better with the brush. Let's try a little bit of gay mess. Let's try it without the brush. If I can get it out. There we go. Well, that was easy as, because it was very light. Now, let's try a little bit of gay sand. Rub it in. And I'm going to try it without the brush, just to pass back and forth. done a pretty okay kind of job. It's cleared the surface layer off, but I can still see a lot of sand granules in it. Let's try it again with the brush. So I've gone over it a number of times with the brush, and that's definitely helped to agitate the pile and bring up some of the sand, but I can still see lots of little bits there. Let's try it. This is hard to get off. Oh, blimmin' heck. Oh, hang on. Oh, it stays on hard. Let's try it with the upholstery tool, which should intensify the suction a bit. Yeah, that did a pretty good job, to be honest, after, you know, just passing back and forth. Yeah, I can still see lots, but that's not done that bad a job considering. And it is quite powerful. I'm quite surprised. Oh, there was a bit of fallout there. Hang on. So I think if you were going to use it, you know, like I remember we used to use it for crumbs and little, you know, spilt sugar or stuff like that. That's what it was used for in the kitchen. It was sometimes used in the living room down the side of the sofa. But yeah, I really like that. That's really good. Right, let's open it up. Nothing has leaked from around the seal, which is good. And that is what it picked up. I'm well impressed with that. I really like it. Right, let's get the big guns on it now. Let's put it back together. There we go. Let's give it a bit of a quick clean up. Now, the next thing I want to do is, because I want to use this, so I am going to mount it on the wall here in the studio and use it, but keep good condition of it, keep it looked after, keep it on charge. So I need to get mounting. So let me get this mounted onto the wall. I think that is the groove. Yeah, that it goes on, depending on which side. It's going to be on this side. Not a lot of length of cable on it, but I guess you'd have it kind of close to a plug socket possibly. But then that's how the cable fits in there. I'm not going to take that off now. It's clipped in really tight. Okay, I'm not going to use the original screws it came with. I'm going to get some more, but I am going to fit it to the wall, so I'll come back to you when I've done that. So there you go. As you can see, I now have it mounted onto the wall and on charge. So I can just pull it off. Give it a quick use and leave it there on the wall. So I am really chuffed to have found one of these. I'd like to say a great big thank you to the seller as well. I said I'd look after it, and there it is, all being used and looked after, and hope to last for a long time. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.